Heidi Klum, 49, is known for her annual Halloween parties and her extravagant outfits, year in and year out. The supermodel decided to go for something different this year, as she stepped out dressed as a giant worm, unrecognizable from her usual glam appearance. Prior to this, she dressed as an alien, with Prime Video posting a transition video showing the America's Got Talent judge transforming into a gigantic red worm. The creepy voiceover exclaimed, "Trick or treat. Now to see who I will be." Heidi ditched her ribbed worm costume whilst inside the party and put on a jaw-dropping display in a sheer bedazzled bodysuit, paired with brown boots. However, surprising many, Heidi did not take the worm makeup off her face as she partied the night away.